If all goes according to plan, students at Bancroft Elementary School in East County will be able to move back in Monday. They were displaced for the last month because of the floods. My co-anchor, Wale Aliyu, met a fourth grader at a different school, Lemon Avenue Elementary, who hated to see what happened to them and took it upon herself to raise more than $700 by making and selling bracelets.
All right, so tell me about the bracelet idea. Where did this come from? How did you come up with it?
Well, during Thanksgiving break, me and my cousin were hanging out, like maybe the last few days I was there, and she taught me how to make this. She calls them worms. I call them worms too. And I honestly just thought they were really cool, and I don't know if you can buy these anywhere except for when I sold them, but I just thought it was a really cool idea. And I also did sell ones like these, just like with BFFs and I love yous. And I thought it'd be really cool because it's not like all the fancy jewelry when you wear when you get older. It's just like fun. You can throw it on with whatever you want. And it's like cute and it's not too expensive. So I spent 2 whole weekends designing these bracelets by myself.
Material-wise, what are we talking? Maybe $100 of material?
Maybe $50. So the beads, you know, Amazon beads, and she went upstairs and she started making all these bracelets, and she had about 250, 300 bracelets made, and we sold out.
So the first day I was pretty nervous. We went outside, we had a table, and we were all standing up, and I think maybe we sold 40 bracelets on the first day, and I was blown away because I think we had made $56 on the first day. And I was just blown away. And so many kids said they were bringing money tomorrow, and I was so excited for the next day. And then it just got greater as it went.
$700. Where's that money going? Do we know yet? Have we figured that part out?
We don't know. We will be donating it to Bancroft, open to the idea of that money supporting another 4th grade student or a group of students at Bancroft who have perhaps been affected by the flood in their own home or maybe displaced. The sky's the limit.
Well, is there anywhere you specifically want the money to go toward?
Maybe just struggling schools that are like destroyed from the floods. Even maybe weeks after floods, schools were like still be suffering.
So I must say you are wise beyond your years. Where is this coming from? Are you reading a lot of books? Are you watching the appropriate TV shows? Where's all this coming from?
Thank my mom and dad.